Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will talk about cloud protection and Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Next generation technologies in Microsoft Defender Antivirus provide near instant automated protection against new and emerging threats. To identify new threats dynamically, next generation technologies work with large set of interconnected data in the Microsoft Intelligent Security Graph and powerful AI systems driven by advanced machine learning models. Cloud protection works together with Microsoft Defender Antivirus to deliver accurate, real-time and intelligent protection. So I'll just quickly log on to the portal and see how we turn on the cloud protection in Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Alright, I'm logged on to the Intune portal. You can turn on Microsoft Cloud Protection through Microsoft Intune, Group Policy, PowerShell commandlets, or use Windows Management Instruction, which is WMI. Or you can turn on cloud protection on individual clients with the Windows Security app. I'll do it from the Intune. Now when you log on to Intune, you click on Endpoint Security and you click on Antivirus. In here you see the list which says policy name, here click on create policy. For platform, select Windows and then select a profile, Microsoft Defender Antivirus. It's the next gen protection component of Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. So always remember, when someone asks you about the difference between Microsoft Defender Antivirus and Defender for Endpoint, first difference would be that Defender Antivirus is the next gen protection component of Defender for Endpoint. Next gen protection brings together machine learning, big data analysis, in-depth threat resistance research and cloud infrastructure to protect devices in your enterprise organization. Click on create, select the name, mark in as test. These are the configuration settings. Allow archive scanning, allow behavior monitoring, cloud protection. If you'll see, to best protect your PC, Windows Defender will send information to Microsoft about any problem it finds. Microsoft will analyze that information, learn more about problems affecting you and other customers, and offer improved solutions. In here you can set to turn off cloud protection not configured or allow turn on cloud protection, which is the default. You click on next. Next, it is the assignments tab, and when you will click on save, this policy will be created. And you can achieve the same through other methods as well. Now if you will talk about what does cloud protection gives you after you turn on and how does it work. So Microsoft Defender Antivirus works seamlessly with Microsoft Cloud Services. These cloud protection services, also referred to as Microsoft Advanced Protection Services or called MAPS, enhance the standard real-time protection with cloud protection. Next generation technologies provide rapid identification of new threats, sometimes even before a single endpoint is infected. And you can read more about in detail how this cloud protection would work. And you can also specify the cloud protection level. Obviously if you have configured Intune, you can specify it using Intune as well. So if you see here, cloud delivered protection level list. So if I scroll down and see if there is a level list available, Scroll down. It's not here, but there is a policy when you level. Let me search for it. Okay, it's with the name cloud block level, but I was looking for cloud protection level, cloud delivered protection level. So it is cloud block level now, if you'll see the portal these days. So this policy settings determines how aggressive Windows Defender antivirus will be in blocking and scanning suspicious files. You can set it to not configured, you can set it to default, you can set it to high plus or zero tolerance. High would give you it will apply a strong level of detection. High plus would use the high level and applies extra protection measures. And zero tolerance would block all unknown executables. You can configure it through this options. And you can use the group policy as well to specify the level of cloud protection. I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.